Hello, this is Janae, and a lot of people ask me, how do I make plant-based food really delicious? How do I make it taste better? And I tell them, just remember the 3 B's: butter, broth, and bouillon. So butter is one of those things that just makes everything taste amazing. People don't realize the same things that you do in traditional non-vegan cooking to make food taste better is the exact same thing you should do in animal-free cooking. Plant-based butter is so magical. You add it to anything you're making, whether you're sauteing vegetables, put it in rice, soups, stews, add it to pasta water, just anything that you would normally put butter in, do it for plant-based food too. Do not neglect the butter. And you might be saying, oh, but non-dairy butter doesn't taste as good as cow-based butter. Wrong. Vegan, non-dairy butters have exploded in the last few years. They taste amazing. Get Miyoko's cultured butter, get Milkadamia's butter, Earth Balance soy-free, you cannot go wrong with that one. And there's a ton more that just hit the market. The second B is broth, also known as vegetable stock. Vegetable broth is essential for creating flavor. It is liquid gold. Basically, anywhere you would use water in a recipe, use broth instead. And it will kick up the flavor profile so much, you will not believe it. It just adds so much richness and extra to anything you're doing. Usually people use broth when making soup or stew, but you can use broth in any recipe, any sauce, any gravy, anything that has a liquid component or uses water, use broth instead, and you will thank me later. The last B stands for bouillon. Bouillon is the powerful little cousin of vegetable broth. You use it pretty much in the same way, but the difference is bouillon is about 20 times more concentrated. It adds even more intense, rich flavor. So you add it to rice, to chili, to mashed potatoes, to soups, stocks, gravies, sauces, anything you want that needs extra flavor. My favorite brand is Better Than Bouillon, but there's tons of great brands out there. They conveniently come in different cubes, powders, and pastes. Really easy to use. Keep bouillon on hand at all times. So the next time you're stumped and don't know how to make your food taste better, just remember to add at least one of the 3 B's: butter, broth, or bouillon. It will make you a better cook, I promise. So that's it. Thank you for listening. Bye.